Hi, Imran from Car Sound Secure in East London. We've just finished doing a doubled-in installation on the Toyota Prius 2012. So the original radio looked like that. So the customer wanted to change it because it was in a completely different language, couldn't be changed into English, and also you didn't get radio stations. So this is the new stereo. Literally there's no additional parts required, just the radio itself is built specifically for a Toyota. This unit has got CD, it's got DVD as well, it's full touchscreen as well, and it's Android. So what you can do is you can hotspot to it. So if you put your phone hotspot on, you can connect it to here and you can do various things. You've got loads of apps you can download onto there. You've got navigation, which you'll use off your phone. It's also got like radio, you can load up some videos on the internal storage, music, Bluetooth for phone calls. Works with your steering wheel controls, etc. as well. You've got Bluetooth music, so you can pair wirelessly your phone, etc. Your standard disc, DSP for doing sound system setups. You can even read your email on it. Chrome, providing you got it hotspotted. Play Store, YouTube, galleries. You can add DAB with the optional extra DAB antenna. Getting reversing camera on here as well. Front camera can be mounted just up here as well. So you can see there's loads and loads of applications. You've got easy connection, which is basically you can mirror your phone onto there as well. As you can see, the operating system is really smooth, really fast. I'll just show you the steering, just put it on radio as well, so you can put your volume up and stuff, etc. as well. Really good upgrade, doesn't cost a lot. It's quite price competitive. We do a lot of these on loads of different vehicles, in particular Toyota, because the original factory radio, when you import the vehicles, are in a different language. So very popular upgrade, and it's not too expensive as well. We give you all the original stereo parts back. Simply, if you ever want to change it back, if you decide to move the car on, you can do. So yeah, if you're interested in getting this done on your Toyota Prius, or you may have a different vehicle altogether and you want to get an Android system in there, then get in contact with us on the details below. And thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.